So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Bitcoin. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you would not miss out on any single update will be dropping for you guys. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's start with our trend on Bitcoin. So what can we say Bitcoin is? Our trend on Bitcoin. You can see that the overall trend is a downtrend move, right? That is it. But if you take a look at it, market is now starting to push up, starting to give us an uptrend move, which we can see as a minor trend. We will see this, we will take this as the minor trend, right? So we are going to make use of this minor trend. Now, what does the minor trend say? It says we are in an uptrend move. Now, guys, take a look at it. We had a multiple rejection here, which serves as a double bottom, right? The market was able to push up, right? Market eventually pulled back right here. Then market was able to push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market then was able to push up again to form a new higher high. This is the higher low right here. So market has given us an higher low, right? Now market has now pushed up again to form a new higher high. This what market is currently doing. Market is currently forming an higher low. So market is about to form an higher low. So once this higher low plays out finish, guess what market will do next? Market will have to push up to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. So guys, this day for the day, we will be expecting a bullish move on our Bitcoin. So whatever you want to be doing on your Bitcoin, you want to be going in for the buy. Now, could there be any changes to this prediction? Absolutely yes. There's a possibility that there will be changes. If there will be any changes, I'll make sure I do the updates and let you guys know. So if you do not want to miss out on any updates, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.